So explain, discuss verb dictionary 3 form from lesson 18 grammar and verb L form lesson 17 grammar, including samples of each verb group, group 1, 2, and 3, with Roman explanation included. So the verb dictionary form and the verb nai form are essential components of Japanese grammar that are introduced in lesson typically around lesson 17 and lesson 18. These forms are foundational and conjugating verbs into various tenses and for constructing sentences. Let's discuss each detail, including examples for each verb group 1, 2, and 3, along with the Romanji explanation. Verb dictionary form Jisokei. E. The dictionary form, also known as the plain base form, is form of the verb you would find in dictionary. It is used for casual speech, non-past tense, both present and future, for formulating grammatical structures. Group 1 verb Godan doshi. Group 1 verbs end in a consonant followed by U in their dictionary form. Example, kaku, to write. Romanji, kaku. Example in sentence. Mainichi tegami o kakimashu. I write a letter every day. So in group 2, verb ichidan doshi. Group 2 verb end in either iru or eru. Example, taberu, to eat. Romanji, taberu. Example sentence. Hiru gohan o taberu, I eat lunch. Group 3 verb. Fuki soku doshi. Group 3 verb are irregular verbs. There are only two, suru and kuru. Example, suru, to do. Romanji, suru. Example sentences, shu kudai o suru, I do the homework. Kuru, come, to come. Romanji, kuru. Example sentence, karega kuru, he will come. Verb form naikei. The form is negative from a verb is non-past tense. It is used to express that something does not happen. So, for the number 2, where is it? What are the difference among form dictionary 3 form and fall form? The question seems to be asking about 3 different verbs from Japanese, the Masu form and the dictionary form. Here is a detailed explanation from each, including their different usage. Dictionary form Jishoki usage is the base form of the verb. It is used for information speech. It appears dictionaries. It is used to plain informal sentences and when combining with certain grammatical structure. Formation for group 1 verb root plus u. Example, karu, to write. For group 2 root plus ru. Example, taberu, to eat. For group 3 irregular example, suru, to do, kuru, to come. Usage. This is a polite form. The verb is used for formal polite speech. It's commonly used everyday conversation to show respect. Example sentences, kakanai, takigami o kakanai, to write letter. And that's it. Understanding this form is essential to proper verb, conjunctional verb, context in Japanese. Thank you for listening.